Have you ever looked at your sleeping children at night and wondered if you're truly doing enough to secure their future? That gnawing question? Should you focus on protecting them from life's uncertainties or on building the wealth they'll need to chase their dreams? Can keep any parent awake. What if I told you that smart families have found a way to do both? To create an invisible shield of protection around their loved ones while building a growing foundation of wealth for their aspirations? Hi, I'm Jiten Modi. Over the past 2 decades as a personal finance strategist, I've had the privilege of sitting with countless parents who share this same midnight worry. The fear of leaving their families vulnerable or without the resources to thrive is universal. But what breaks my heart most is watching families feel forced to choose between protection and growth when they could have both. Today I want to show you how combining term insurance with systematic investment plans, SIPs, creates a strategy so powerful it can redefine your family's financial future. Think of your family's financial security like building a home. Would you ever consider building strong walls but skipping the foundation? Or laying a rock-solid foundation but leaving the walls incomplete? Of course not. Both are essential. This is exactly what happens when you combine term insurance and SIP. You create a complete financial home for your family, secure, resilient, and built to last. Let me share a story that transformed how I think about this. Just last month, Rajesh, a father of 2 young children, came to me looking defeated. I want to do everything right, he said. But I can only afford one. Either term insurance to protect my family or an SIP to build their future. His words struck a chord because they reflect what every parent feels. The desire to do their absolute best for their children. Together, we took a closer look at his monthly expenses. Coffee shop visits Rs 3,000. Food delivery Rs 5,000. Multiple OTT subscriptions Rs 2,000. That's when the realization hit him. I'm not really choosing between protecting my family and building their future, he said. I'm choosing between daily luxuries and my children's security and dreams. That moment changed everything. Here's what we discovered together. If Rajesh chose only term insurance, he'd pay Rs 1,000 monthly for Rs 1 crore of coverage. While this would protect his family in case of an unexpected event, it would leave nothing for their dreams if everything went as planned. Alternatively, if he chose only an SIP and invested Rs 10,000 monthly, he could potentially build a corpus of Rs 75 lakhs in 20 years. But in the meantime, his family would remain unprotected if life threw an unexpected curveball. Instead, we crafted a smart combination. A plan that fit within the same Rs 10,000 monthly budget. With Rs 1,000 going toward term insurance for Rs 1 crore of coverage and Rs 9,000 into an SIP, Rajesh was able to create a dual-layered strategy. Now his family had complete protection and a growing corpus, projected to reach Rs 68 lakhs in 20 years. The result? His children wouldn't just have security. They'd have the resources to chase their dreams. This isn't just about numbers. Let me explain why this combination works so well. Term insurance acts as the foundation of your financial home. It's unseen but essential. For just Rs 1,000 monthly, less than the cost of 2 coffee shop visits, you create an instant estate worth Rs 1 crore. Think of it as your way of saying to your family, no matter what happens to me, your dreams will survive. A SIP, on the other hand, is like planting a tree that grows stronger every month. Each Rs 9,000 you invest becomes a seed that multiplies through the power of compounding. Over time, this grows into a substantial corpus capable of funding education, opportunities, independence. Whatever your children's dreams may be. While term insurance protects those dreams, SIP builds the means to achieve them. Together, these two create a synergy that covers each other's limitations perfectly. Term insurance provides immediate protection that SIP cannot, while SIP builds wealth that term insurance doesn't. Combined, they give your family both the security of protection and the power of prosperity. Let me share another story that brings this to life. Priya, a single mother of 2 daughters, initially hesitated to combine both term insurance and SIP. I can barely make ends meet, she said. But after analyzing her spending, we found small adjustments that freed up Rs 10,000 monthly. Today, Priya has Rs 1 crore of term insurance securing her daughter's futures, and her SIP corpus has already grown to Rs 3.2 lakhs. More importantly, she sleeps peacefully knowing she's given her children both security and opportunity. Here's what makes this combination truly powerful. It works whether life goes as planned or not. If something happens to you unexpectedly, the term insurance ensures your family's dreams stay intact. If you live a long, healthy life, which is what we all hope for, your SIP grows into a substantial corpus capable of funding those very dreams. But here's what keeps me awake at night. Watching families delay these decisions because they feel torn between protection and growth. The cost of inaction isn't just financial. It's the dreams your children might have to defer, the opportunities they could miss, the security they deserve but don't have. Think about this. The money most of us spend each month on coffee shops and food delivery could be the difference between leaving your children just memories or leaving them a legacy that grows with time. Through the link in the description below, you can book a free clarity session with me. Together, we'll design a personalized term insurance and CP combination tailored to your goals and budget. Because your family deserves more than just safety or wealth, they deserve both. This isn't just about managing money. It's about securing your children's future while giving them the means to build their own. Let's give them the roots to stand strong and the wings to soar high. Reach out today and let's make it happen.